Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're back again with another easy step-by-step tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to see the hidden text or chats on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Viber app. Seeing the hidden chats from Viber is not a difficult task. So, the first thing we're going to do after opening our Viber app is tap on the search icon that is located on the top right hand side corner, right beside the camera icon. Once you're on the search bar, here you can type either the name or the contact number of the chat, or you can also use the pin code that you have used while hiding your Viber chats. Here for now, I will be using the pin code. And after tapping the pin code, here as you can see, all the contacts that I have hidden will appear here. You can tap on their profile and then text them. Just like that, that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to see hidden chats on Viber. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.